Let me ask you a simple question. Is it fair for your career to be decided by luck? Thousands of NEET PG aspirants prepare for years, giving us sleep, social life, and sometimes even mental peace, just for that one goal to qualify and become a doctor in India's most competitive space. Now imagine all the efforts getting affected simply because your exam was held in a different shift than someone else's. Sounds unfair, right? That's exactly what over 1,000 NEET PG aspirants are feeling right now. And they are speaking up through petitions, through online polls, and through a growing voice that's reaching the Supreme Court. Today's video is not just about news, it's a reality check, a story about fairness, anxiety, and a demand for change. So here's what's happening. Traditionally, NEET PG has always been conducted in a single shift, one exam, one day, equal paper for all. The system was seen as fair and transparent. But now there's a proposal to conduct NEET PG 2025 in multiple shifts, just like NEET UG or JEE. The reason? Logistically ease, more candidates, more centers. But for aspirants, this change is a big red flag. Because with multiple shifts comes the challenge of normalization, a method used to equalize scores across different papers. And frankly, most aspirants don't trust it. Which brings us to the heart of the issue, the growing demand for single shift NEET PG examination. Let's look at the numbers because data never lies. Two independent online polls were conducted among NEET PG 2025 aspirants. First poll, 1,103 participants. 88% said the Supreme Court should accept the petition for single shift NEET PG examination because it's about fairness. Only 5% were okay with multiple shifts and 7% said let the court decide. Second poll, 184 votes. 91% of them said single shift exams ensure equal opportunity and 7 supported multiple shifts with normalization and 9 left it to judiciary. These aren't just numbers, these are voices, future doctors, young minds demanding a level playing field. And these voices, they're not just clicking poll options, they're telling stories. One NEET PG aspirant from Delhi said, normalization doesn't eliminate the difficulty gap between shifts. Some papers are harder, some easier. Only a single shift gives everyone the same challenge, the same chance. That's the crux of it. Fairness isn't just a policy, it's a feeling. When students feel the system is fair, they give it their all. But if they sense bias, confidence crumbles. Now this moment isn't just staying online. In 2024, after NEET UG controversy, students moved to the Supreme Court demanding transparency in entrance exams. The case is still fresh in public memory. And now NEET PG aspirants are following the same path, seeking legal intervention to protect the integrity of their exam. If the Supreme Court accepts the petition, it could lead to a landmark judgment. One that set a standard not just for NEET PG, but possibly for all high-stake medical exams in India. It's more than just about 2025. It's about restoring trust in the system. Let's take a step back. Why is this issue even bigger than it seems? Because behind every NEET PG aspirant is a story of sacrifice. Parents spending their savings, students battling pressure, and communities hoping to see a future doctor rise. One unfair shift could shatter all of that. That's why this movement matters. That's why your voice matters. So now it's your turn. Do you think NEET PG should be conducted in a single shift? Should the Supreme Court step in and make it happen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'll be reading and responding to each one. If this video spoke to you, like, share and subscribe to stay updated with real, honest and impactful content on medical education. Because at the end of the day, fairness is not a luxury, it's a necessity.